Hey, everyone, welcome back to Tech Tide. If you're someone who loves hitting the road, whether it's for daily commutes or epic road trips, you know your car is like a second home. Today, I'm sharing some brilliant car accessories that'll make your driving experience safer, comfier, and way more fun. So buckle up, and let's dive in. Number 1 is this affordable wide-angle rear view mirror that expands your view by up to 2x. Super easy 1-minute install, perfect for any type of vehicle. This wide mirror makes your rear view much better due to its wide structure, which decreases rear view blind spots and makes your drive safe and comfortable. And it attaches via an adjustable buckle and clip system that fits in the most cars. Grab yours from the link in description. Number 2 is this innovative windshield sunshade, which is designed to shield your dashboard from those damaging UV rays. If you've ever come back to a scorching hot car with a dashboard that's cracking or fading, this is for you. This car sunshade protects your dashboard and your expensive seat covers from those harmful UV rays. Made from high-quality reflective material, it blocks up to 99% of UV rays, keeping your interior cooler and protected. It comes in a small bag, which takes less space and makes it very convenient to store in your car. Plus, to install it is a breeze. Just unfold it, place it across your windshield, the edges behind the sun visors which grip it tightly. So, what do you think about this windshield sunshade? Let me know in the comment section. Product link in description. Number 3 is the Help LP multifunction electric car jack, a beast that lifts, inflates tires, loosens lug nuts, and even lights up the dark. This kit comes in a sturdy black carrying case, perfect for tossing in your trunk easily. The electric hydraulic jack, rated for up to 5 tons. That's enough for trucks, SUVs, MPVs, and sedans. And check out the built-in air compressor with a pressure gauge. It handles tire inflation up to about 50 psi. No more stopping at a gas station. There is also electric impact wrench, high power, up to 450 Nm torque. It comes with 4 socket sizes to fit in most of lug nuts. It's got a 12 volts power cord that's 13 feet long, reaches from your battery to any wheel easily. Made with steel alloy for durability, and it's waterproof for rainy days, summer heat or winter freeze. This thing's versatile. It's a must-have for you. Check product with the link in description. Introducing Sailnovo Rooftop Carrier, 20 cubic foot waterproof beast that fits almost any car, with or without a roof rack. Made from heavy-duty 1000D waterproof fabric. It's tear-resistant, twice as tough as those flimsy 500D ones from other brands. It has a whopping 20 cubic feet of space, which is sufficient for your camping gears and luggage. Heavy-duty door hooks, 2 reinforced straps, an anti-slip mat to protect your roof, a storage bag. Pull out the seal and place the hooks. Hook onto your doors. Pull back the seal tight. Ready to load. Takes under 10 minutes. That's all is that easy. So, if you're tired of Tetris packing your car, grab the Sailnovo Rooftop Cargo Carrier, link in the description. Number 5 is this Fix A Flat. This trusty aerosol can has been a lifesaver for you in a flat tire emergency. It can seal up to 33% larger punctures. Shake the can vigorously for 30 seconds. This mixes the sealant inside and gets it ready to work its magic. Tightly twist the nozzle onto the tire valve, hold the can upright and press the yellow button until the sealant starts flowing. You'll see the tire start to inflate. This Fix A Flat is a temporary fix, so head to a professional to get your tire properly repaired or replaced. This product is tire sensor safe and seals larger punctures, perfect for emergencies. Product link in description. Number 6 is this Hodor Trunk Organizer. It promises effortless storage anytime, anywhere. This organizer is a collapsible car storage bin made from durable, waterproof Oxford fabric. It's got a sturdy base panel that keeps it upright and open. It comes with heavy-duty Oxford cloth that's waterproof and reinforced with strong stitching. The sides have adjustable Velcro strips, so you can configure it in multiple ways. There are mesh pockets on the sides for quick grab items. It folds down to a tiny 2L size when not in use, way smaller than traditional bins. Not just for cars, it can be also used for camping picnics, shopping hauls, or even home storage like folding laundry. Waterproof fabric and shrugs off spills. So what do you think? It's effortless storage that fits your life, from road trips to home chores. Product link in description. Number 7 is this wireless charger car mount, which makes your drive comfortable and smart. This mount charger can be easily installed on your car windshield, air vent and dashboard. It automatically grabs your phone according to its shape and size. This car mount charger charges your smartphone wirelessly, plus its adjustable angle design helps you in navigation and calls, which makes your drive smart and comfortable. This device makes your phone accessible and ready on any drive and road trip. Number 8 is this G3 GPS speedometer. This little beast projects all your vital driving info right onto your windshield. There's the micro USB cable for power, a non-slip mat to keep it secure on your dash. This bad boy is designed for all vehicles. And the best part? Non-destructive installation, plug and play in under 5 minutes. This G3 HUD displays speed in km, h and switchable. You've got a built-in clock, driving time and distance. The compass is crystal clear with directional arrows, and it shows altitude for those off-road adventures. And for safety, there's overspeed alarms, fatigue driving reminders, like if you've been on the road too long. This GPS speedometer is full of features and you can change modes with one switch only. So you're ready to level up your driving game? Grab yours from the link in the description. Number 9 is this game-changing car tissue paper holder. It's stylish, practical, and a total lifesaver for safe driving. Comes in a simple, eco-friendly package, no excess waste here. The holder is made from high-quality leather that's super soft for use. It's sleek, durable, and way better than those cheap plastic ones that crack after a month. It's versatile. It comes with multiple ways to mount it to fit your family's needs. You can mount it on your sun visor, backseat and on car door handle also. It looks great in any car and makes your drive safe and versatile. It's made with quality leather and easy to clean. It's a must-have in your car, link in description. Number 10 is the All Protectant Car Wipes. These wipes is a game changer. It removes filmy residue, road grimes, fingerprints, bugs and more in just one wipe. This protectant car wipes can be used for both interior and exterior glasses. These wipes also useful to clean those debris, dirt, dust and enhance color and shine on your car steering, dashboard and door handles. These wipes also protect your dashboard and seats from those harmful UV rays and gives your car a new look. So what you think? Let me know in the comment section. Product link in description. Number 11 is this wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen, the portable game changer that turns any dashboard into a smart cockpit. Wireless connectivity, voice controls, 3 ways to blast your tunes, and it's plug and play. You've got the 7-inch HD touchscreen, a suction cup mount for easy dashboard or windshield install, FM transmitter, Bluetooth adapter, aux cable, and even a car charger. Oh, and it's got built-in speakers for standalone audio. It supports real-time GPS via Waze, Google Maps, or Apple Maps, voice control with Siri or Google Assistant, and 3 connection options to your car's speakers. Bluetooth pairing, or direct aux plug-in. Stick the suction mount to your dash or windshield. Boom, secure. Snap the screen onto the mount. Plug in the car charger to your outlet. And boom, you're good to go. The adjustable arm lets you angle it perfectly for driver or passenger view. It's a must-have if you wish your old car could run CarPlay or Android Auto without ripping out the stereo. Product link in description. Number 12 is the Fantech Slim V8 Apex. This tiny beast that vacuums, blows, inflates, and pumps. 19 kilopascals of suction power in a stick that fits in your glove box. It comes with a main unit, a Type-C charging cable, and a whopping 10 accessories. The transparent dustbin lets you see the mess get sucked up, and that one-touch empty button. It has washable HEPA filters. This bad boy rocks a brushless motor, twice the power of brushed ones, and it lasts 10x longer, perfect for light dust, runs up to 40 minutes on a charge. That's hurricane-level suck for pet hair, sand, or those sneaky crumbs under seats. Keeping it fresh is easy. Empty the bin after every use to avoid suction loss. One-touch lid, no mess. That's the Fantech Slim V8 Apex, your new cleaning sidekick. Drop a comment and smash subscribe for more gadgets. See you in the next video.